If you have ever wondered whether the HVAC system someone is about to put in your home is really the right one, you are in the right place. Most systems get sized off a quick guess, and that guess can cost you thousands. This quiz walks you through it the right way, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Let me show you exactly how it works. Head over to quizprocalcs.com. The first thing it asks for is your first name, so type that in and hit Start Quiz. First question: who are you? This is the part that makes the quiz smart, because it reshapes everything that comes after to fit your world. If you are a homeowner, it zeroes in on comfort, your monthly bills, and steering clear of an expensive mistake. If you are a designer or an architect, it leans into code compliance, load calculations, and specs your contractor can actually build from. If you are a builder or a general contractor, it is all about passing inspection, staying on schedule, and protecting your margins. And if you are an HVAC pro, it is about sizing it right, dodging callbacks, and keeping your customers happy. Pick the one that fits you. For this walkthrough, I am going in as a homeowner. Next, it wants to know where you live, because your climate changes everything about what equipment makes sense. You can type in your zip code or click Browse the map first if you feel like exploring. The map is worth a look. Click your state and it shows you your climate zone and what that actually means for you. Things like your average humidity and how many days a year your AC is running. Some states, like Florida, cover more than one zone, so it asks whether your project is in South Florida or in Central and North Florida. Either way, you still need a zip code to keep going. I will type mine in, then hit Continue. Now, what kind of building are we working with? A single-family home, a multi-family place like a condo or duplex, or a manufactured home? I will pick single-family. Then it asks about the layout: one story, two stories or more, or a split level, because the shape of your home changes how the air has to move through it. Mine is a one-story ranch. Then hit Continue. Square footage is one of the biggest pieces of the sizing puzzle, so be straight with it. You can pick a range or type the exact number if you know it. Mine lands in the medium range, so I will choose that and keep going. This next one actually changes the questions you will see, so it matters. Are you replacing a system that is already there, renovating a home, or building something brand new? Each path asks different things. For this example, we are building new construction. Since we are building new, it asks how well the home is built, because a tighter, better insulated house needs a smaller system. You get 4 choices. Mandatory code is the bare minimum the building code allows. High efficiency is a step up, with better insulation and windows, which means more comfort and lower bills. Premium is the top of the line, the kind of build that is nearly passive house or net zero ready. And custom values lets you punch in your own exact numbers if you have them. For this walkthrough, I will keep it simple and choose mandatory code, then continue. Now the fun part. This is where the quiz really gets to know your home and how you live in it. 10 quick questions, no wrong answers, just be honest. It asks if you want different rooms at different temperatures, how quiet you need it, how often you host, whether budget or long-term comfort matters more, how much you care about clean air, any special rooms, how you handle a cool night, what fuel you have access to, what efficiency you are after, and how flexible your ductwork is. Here is how I will answer. Yes to zone control. I prefer it quiet. I rarely host. Budget comes first. Air quality is somewhat important. No special rooms. On a cool night, I will just open a window. Electric only. Standard efficiency. And some flexibility on the ductwork. Then hit Continue. And there it is. Based on everything you told it, here is your perfect system. For this home, it is a straight, cool AC with a heat strip and a variable speed ECM with multi-zone climate control. Now, quick heads up. This is a recommendation to point you in the right direction, not the final word. The exact sizing still needs a proper manual J load calculation before anyone installs anything. Want the full breakdown of why this system, the sizing details, and what to watch out for? Drop in your email and hit Take Me Home. No spam, just your results and a few helpful resources. This is your complete roadmap. Open up each section and you will see exactly why this system was chosen for you. The features it needs, the sizing details that make or break it, and the red flags to watch for when you talk to a contractor. But here is the big one. Your perfect system means nothing if it is sized wrong. That final number cannot come from a guess or a rule of thumb. It has to come from a real manual J load calculation. And that is exactly what we do at ProCalcs. Oh, and real quick, see that download results button up in the top right corner? Hit that and your whole roadmap saves right to your computer, yours to keep. Grab the free guide while you are at it. And when you are ready for those real numbers we just talked about, just hit Start My Load Calc and it shoots an email straight over to us. And that is it. A couple of minutes and you actually know what your home needs. No more guessing, no more crossing your fingers when a contractor throws a number at you. So go run your own quiz. It is free. And when you want the real numbers behind it, you know where to find us. ProCalcs. We are the missing piece.